The Web Service Cloud, the architecture of cloud application. What is the Web Service Cloud? To answer for this question, I should say why we need Web Service Cloud and how it related with cloud computing. Young businessmen or some companies will have problems at start developing because for stable work of their servers they need a lot of equipment to storage and calculating data. They need to employ workers which will control that and buy a lot of software. They can have problems like after updating of software servers will fall, or to check test version they need a lot of time or resources, or they have to create network or database. But all of these problems can be solved by cloud calculation. They give a lot of services, but which will be firstly is costs. Costs will be more lower than you'll buy a lot of equipment, software, and employ workers, because to use cloud calculation you just need to buy subscription for service. Secondly is speed. Cloud computing can give you as much power as you need. It means that a lot of calculations will be more faster. Third is reliability. Is one of the strongest advantages of cloud computing. Service crash is reduced to the minimum, and your data is stored in the several services. That means that in case of fall, you will not lose anything because we'll just change server. And all of these functions you will buy in web service clouds, they give advantage to use cloud calculation. Big
Mhm. IaaS, infrastructure as a service. What about infrastructure as a service take? It takes physical hardware and becomes completely virtual. For example, all servers, networks, storage, and system management all in the cloud. It's the equivalent of the infrastructure and hardware in the traditional way running in the cloud. In other words, business pay a fee to run virtual servers, networks, and storage from the cloud. And in IaaS, we will independently make the setting at the operation system level and database, software, website content. Next. And PaaS, Platform as a Service Cloud, is a cloud computing service that provides application, platform, and database as a service to users. This is equivalent to middleware in the traditional developer of application and database platforms, and we will independently make only the content of the site. Next. And software as a service, a software as a service model includes the installation and maintenance of software in the cloud, while the cloud provide and users who run the software from the cloud over the internet. User client machines don't require any application-specific software to be installed, as cloud applications run in the cloud. And in SaaS, everything is done by the SaaS provider.